selfish in saying but yes, I was proud of it. I was proud that India held such a magnificent event. For a country which is referred to as the second most influential power of the world, maybe the first one in next 1 or 2 years, and who holded such a magnificent event, we are saying that it is a wastage of money. I think we are acting a bit narrow-minded. For seconds, yes, for seconds, my heart was filled with tears. And I'm not pretending at this point, it's actual. Yes, my heart was filled with tears when I saw Suresh Kalmani, after facing all the criticism on the opening ceremony, he stood like a medal of honor, like a man of honor, in saying, yes, we proved it. And he actually proved it. The only thing at that point of time I had in mind, and I think every resident of India, not every Indian, every resident of India who considers himself or herself to be an Indian, might be having in his mind is at that point of time, surely we can and together we will. Maybe I'm indulging myself in too much emotions, let me make it a bit light. Let me show you a glimpse of the top 3 performers of Commonwealth. First, Australia. Let us look at the figures. 74, 55, 49. Austin. India, 38, 27, 36. England, 37, 59, 46. Who had the best figure? I think India. It only took an evening of grand spectacle of India's cultural might and traditional side on October 3, 2010 to silence all the critics who have been badly bashing the Commonwealth Games of Delhi. Let me tell you some national news headlines on the next page. Times of India. Finally, Delhi dazzles. Hindustan Times. A spectacular field start said it all on the historic Games opening ceremony. That's national. We are all national. Let me tell you international news. The Daily Telegraph of Australia, which had been severely criticizing the game, said, India delivers spectacular show. Another daily, the Australian said, finally, after weeks of silence, the new incredible India of diversity and cultural pride showed its face. Some of us have emerged from the most painful circumstances with strong insights of who we are and what we want. Our mistakes, necessary. Our frustration, failures, and sometimes stumbling attempts at growth and progress, necessary too. Each step of the way we learn. We went exactly to the experiences we need to become who we are today. Each step of the way we progress. Is our past a mistake? No. The only mistake we can make is making that for the truth. For a country with a population of above 100 crores and economic people like Ellen Mitchell, Ambani's and Tata, rupees 27,000 crore was a fair deal enough, according to me. Goddamn, it was not cricket. The sponsors will come like honeybees. It was Commonwealth, where there were no sponsors. Tourism raised to new heights, but still Commonwealth, waste of money. Indian sports getting recognition at international platform, but still waste of money. The world actually came to know about the Indian androids' capabilities and abilities, but still, for some narcissists, it's a waste of money. What else I can say? I would take in the discussion with the words correct for the person who still think that Commonwealth Games is a waste of money. Words by Linkin Park. I tried so hard and get so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Four minutes, 7 seconds. Against ये क्यों कह रहा है कि बगला गया ये था in the end it doesn't even matter केवल इसे ये बोलना था in the end it doesn't even matter कि जो भी हुआ we have forgotten all.
So we have been such badly interrogated on our levels of organization, and if India has the talent it will be shown, but is it necessary on such this time to play in our home grounds organizing such big events? If we have the talent it will be shown on the other events, other venues also.
We had showed.
We have.
Yeah.
So we are talking about the wastage of money. Talent India have got.
So was it relevant with the wastage of money? Thank you.